And hello everyone, welcome to the demo of recently restored Akai GX-9. I hope you will enjoy the sound. I prepared two tapes, one recorded on Kamichi DR2 and other recorded on Sony 555. And then we will run some recording tests. So enjoy the sound. The first tape is Baba Blues, and I hope you will like it.
Help me through the day, help me through the night. Darling, your sweet loving makes everything right. Help me through tomorrow, when stormy weather comes along. Make me realize that you're my woman. I can see so much pain deep down inside your eyes. I knew someone might hurt you, some man has made you cry. But darling, don't confuse me. Just try to understand. Make me realize that you're my woman.
Okay, I hope it would be enough for this tape. Now Simon Kapmeyer recorded on Sony 555.
It's you forevermore. I have never been in love before. I thought my heart was safe. I thought I knew the score. But this is one that's all too strange and strong. I feel a foolish song, and that my song was poor. So please forgive this helpless haze I'm in. I've really never been in love before.
I hope you enjoy the sound. So now we will be recording type 1 tape. So bias in the middle. Let's calibrate. Done. Wow, that was quick. Now I'm starting recording. Enjoy. Well, let's use Dolby C for now. Okay, let's rewind a little bit. Okay, now you see if you have proper tools, you may get quite a lot from the Akai GX-9. Now, calibrate. absolutely beautiful recording of both Type 1 and Type 2. And as you've heard, the Dolby C was working very precise and nice, and no complaints at all. So let me calibrate metal tape. Okay, done. I'm not sure. Okay, I will choose next song. Let's listen to it.
Is Kelly right now? Let me get you.
Thank you so much, Jim. Everybody having a good time? Oh, good. Cool. Jeff Goldblum. Holy moly. Play me something sweet, won't you, Jeff?
What?
Can you play me something sweet?
Yeah, I'll do you, bouncy do you.
Okay, cool. My baby don't care for shows. My baby don't care for clothes. My baby, he just cares for me. My baby don't care for the cars and races. My baby don't care for what on places. Well, his tail is not his style, and even though I told him smile, oh, something he can't see. Well, my baby don't care. No, my baby just cares for me. Come on now.
Okay, now let's rewind. Okay, as you might hear, this deck does good recordings and really has a really good sound. If I will compare it to the 9100 series, this deck has equalization adjustment. So like when it runs its auto tuning, it tunes level, bias, and equalization. So all three parameters. That's where like GX9 and like two other I have, they all sounds better in the mid-range than the 9100 series. However, if you will compare details, openness, 3D scene, they are lacking it. So 9100 is a true winner in this case. But all in all, this deck is pretty neat. It's thin, as you may see. It's deep. It's really deep. It's probably all decks like finished here, and this deck goes much far. I like that they put a ventilation here and on the back, so it never gets really hot, and that I appreciate a lot. So that probably would be it. You see that with the proper tuning, this deck is a perfect machine. I'm putting my 2 GX9 on sale as well, so please reach me if you like to get one. Maybe we'll discuss the price. I hope you will be enjoying them as well, because they are really great decks and has heads which technically not possible to wear. Okay, that would be it. Thank you a lot. See you in my next videos, and bye bye.